Why use Linux? This is the one question that most people ask. Why bother learning a completely different computing environment when the operating system that ships with most desktops, laptops, and servers works just fine? To answer that question, I would pose another question. Does that operating system you're currently using really work just fine? Or do you find yourself battling obstacles like viruses, malware, slowed downs, crashes, costly repairs, and licensing fees? If you struggle with the above, Linux might be the perfect platform for you. Linux has evolved into one of the most reliable computer ecosystems on the planet. Combine that reliability with zero cost of entry, and you have the perfect solution for a desktop platform. That's right, zero cost of entry as in free. You can install Linux on as many computers as you like without paying a cent for software or server licensing. Let's take a look at the cost of a Linux server in comparison to Windows Server 2016. The price of the Windows Server 2016 Standard Edition is $882 United States dollars, purchased directly from Microsoft. That doesn't include client access license, CALs, and licenses for other software you may need to run, such as a database, a web server, mail server, etc. For example, a single-user CAL for Windows Server 2016 costs $38. If you need to add 10 users, for example, that's $388 more for server software licensing. With a Linux server, it's all free and easy to install. In fact, installing a full-blown web server that includes a database server is just a few clicks or commands away. Take a look at EasyLamp server installation to get an idea how simple it can be. Linux is also distributed under an open source license. Open source follows these key tenets. The freedom to run the program for any purpose. The freedom to study how the program works and change it to make it do what you wish. The freedom to redistribute copies so you can help your neighbor. The freedom to distribute copies of your modified versions to others. These points are crucial to understanding the community that works together to create the Linux platform. Without a doubt, Linux is an operating system that is by the people, for the people. These tenets are also a main factor in why many people choose Linux. It's about freedom and freedom of use and freedom of choice.